What's up guys? Today this video is about me installing my new oil pump. It's a modified pump, so it's instead of just picking up the oil in the front of the engine, with the copper tube it picks up the oil in the back of the engine. So when I'm doing wheelies, you know, it picks up the oil from the back. So I got the pump from Straight Up Pump on Facebook. You can check their link out in the description. That's basically it. This is my first video in English to all my Swedish viewers. I hope you guys aren't too mad at me for doing a video in English. Let's just get right into it. We have the oil pump installed finally. I can do wheelies for days without a problem, mate. The thing is, it feels so good. It feels so great because you know that your engine is gonna explode any second. You're not harming the engine. So the pump I used is a Straight Up Pump. I got it, I'm living in Sweden, so I got it 8 weeks later. And finally I have it installed. So for all my Swedish viewers, yeah, this is my first video in English. I hope you guys aren't too disappointed in me. Yo man, yo bro. That has always been my biggest fear. My biggest fear when doing wheelies on the Grom is that I'm holding the wheelie up for too long, so the engine is like, it's not getting enough oil. You know, I don't know how long, but basically like 5 seconds from you putting the wheelie up. From then on, you got basically no oil to the top of the engine. Yeah, and that is not very good for your engine, you know. No oil equals no good, okay? I can do coasts, but I have kinda, oh shit, pop it up. Second gear, you know. If you guys are new here, just joined my channel through this video. Well, I'm a Swedish YouTuber, Swedish motovlogger actually. I do Swedish motovlogs for the most part. This is my first one in English. I ride a Honda Grom 2014 edition or whatever year. I just put on the modded oil pump. And earlier this season I learned how to pull up the front wheel in the second gear, which has made it so much easier for me to do wheelies on like the roads instead of just parking lot somewhere. Like wheelies like this, I have never been able to do them because I felt so bad for my engine. I mean, I'm still revving at 6000 RPM. It's not great for the engine, but hey, it's still getting oil. Nice, bro, fist, bro. Okay, slow wheelies, balance point into third gear. And then we can keep it in, oh shit, this is bumpy road, man. We can keep it in third gear and rev it high because we know that we have oil. fucking perfect. This is basically just a commercial for straight up pumps. Oh shit, that big huge truck is coming. Okay, hello, it's me, Neytive. It's ya boy. Oh shit. Well, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I hope to see you back next time. Even if my next video might be a Swedish video, comment and say that you want me to do more English videos. In Sweden there is this very popular guy called Vill. He does motovlogs in English, but he's Swedish, so I might take his playing cards, also start English YouTube videos. So thank you guys for watching, hope you're excited for what's to come, and I'll see you next time. Bye.